Students, in this section we will solve question from the topic integral and from the subtopic properties of the integral. So the question is the integral limit from 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x e to the power x dx, and options are 0, -1, -1 and 2. Since the integral is 0 to pi by 2 cos x minus sin x e to the power x dx. To integrate this, write it as 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x cos x dx minus integral 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x sin x dx. To integrate this, consider this is first function and this is second function, then apply the UV rule, that is product rule of integral, that is u and v are two functions, then integral of u dot v is first function as it is, integral of second function minus integral derivative of first function, that is u dash, and integral of second function, that is applying this formula first function as it is, that means e to the power x as it is, and integral of cos x is sin x, and limit is pi by 2 minus limit 0 to pi by 2 derivative of first function, that is e to the power x is itself e to the power x, and integral of cos x is sin x dx, and write this as it is, that means minus 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x sin x dx. On substituting limit, it will become e to the power pi by 2, and sin pi by 2 is 1, and if you put 0 then this becomes full 0, so you will get e to the power pi by 2 only, and minus this, and this becomes 2 times 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x sin x dx. Now consider e to the power pi by 2 minus 2, this is I. Consider this is whole equal to I. Consider this is equation first. Now where I is equal to 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x sin x dx. On integrating this, again use product rule, that is consider this is first function and that is this is second function. Then I is equal to first function as it is, integral of second function, that is integral of sin x is minus cos x, and limit is 0 to pi by 2 minus 0 to pi by 2. A derivative of first function, that is e to the power x, is itself e to the power x, and integral of sin x is minus cos x dx. I is equal to, on taking limit we will get, take minus sign outside, and e to the power pi by 2 cos pi by 2 minus e to the power 0 cos 0 minus take minus sign outside, and this becomes plus 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x cos x dx. I is equal to, since the value of cos pi by 2 is 0, so this will, and value of e to the power 0 is 1 and cos 0 is 1, so this will become whole completely 1, plus 0 to pi by 2 e to the power x cos x dx. Again integrate this, consider this is first function and this is second function. Then I is equal to 1 plus first function as it is integral of second function, that is sin x, and limit is 0 to pi by 2 minus integral 0 to pi by 2 derivative e to the power x is e to the power x, and integral of cos x is sin x dx. I is equal to 1 plus 1, we will get e to the power pi by 2 sin pi by 2 minus e to the power 0 sin 0 minus this thing completely. This from equation first, the I is e to the power x dot sin x dx. That means in place of this, right, I will become, now take this I into right left side, then this become 2I is equal to the value of sin pi by 2 is 1. This will become e to the power pi by 2 e to the power sin 0 is 0. Consider this is equation second. So the value of 2I in, and put this value of 2I in equation first, that is in this equation. Then we will get 1 plus e to the power pi by 2 is equal to e to the power pi by 2 minus 1 minus e to the power pi by 2. So pi by 2 to pi by 2 cancel, that is equal to minus 1. So minus 1 is the required answer. So option C is the correct answer. Thank you.